welcome to my channel. This is Lexsa with another video. I am back, you guys, and I am coming to you with another gorgeous wig. Like, this is listen, are you listening? Okay, I'm coming to you with another wet lace wig. I love this collection. I am the queen of this collection. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to slay. You see that? I'm gonna show you guys how to slay this unit so you can rock it just how I'm rocking it right now. Before I get into this video, make sure you follow me on all of my social media platforms. I mean, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, come on. Because if you have me on TikTok, that means you saw this wig already. Okay, you just coming for the wig link. Okay, so make sure you add me on TikTok. Make sure you add me on DEPOP, where I sell my wigs as well. And yeah, and I feel like I had something else to say. Oh. This video is sponsored by shamsbeauty.com. So specifically, if you want to get this baddie wig and you want to get it on time, make sure you shop at shamsbeauty.com to purchase this unit. But I don't know, I just want to hop into it so you guys can see how easy this was to put on. This is gorgeous, y'all. This is fire. All right, so the wig that I'm going to be installing is a Sensational Cloud9 Swiss Lace wig. You guys know this is a very long title, but it's the Wet Lace Hairline Illusion Lace Wig, 100% premium fiber. I chose a color that is probably gonna shock you guys. This is the Money Piece Platinum, and Money Piece is just basically how the hair is dyed. So listen, it gives me like very much, you know, Dalmatian, very much, you know, a skunk. It just gives that. So I'm curious how this is gonna go. Saw it and I was like, all right, let me give it a try. This is how it's looking in the front. Okay. So I already did my makeup in such a way that it's like a little bit darker around the eyes. Like I did a dark lip liner. You know, I wanted it to look very dark in my eyes and see if that would help this wig kind of come together. So what I'm going to do, as you guys already know, we're gonna install her. I'm not gonna do anything crazy with the wig cap. And yeah, you guys can just watch me install so you know how to slay it. And then we're gonna talk about the pros and the cons. All right, so for this wig, you do not have to do the bald cap method. I personally just don't think it's necessary to do with synthetic wigs unless the lace is super transparent. So what I like to do instead is to put some of the cream foundation that I use all the time just on the front. Literally just on the front of the wig, and this will just help it blend a little bit better, so when you put on this wig it doesn't show a line of demarcation, especially since this wig cap is not my skin color. I didn't want it to look like, you know, I had a lemon head under my actual wig. So you can see a little bit, you know, I was taken aback. This wig is fire. This wig is like, it's so different for me. I didn't expect it to look this good. So you're gonna see my facial expressions throughout this video, just in shock of how nice this unit is. But you can see the white in the front is super transparent. So even after I added color, girl, what are you doing? Even though I added color to my lace cap, my wig cap, I added some to the actual lace. So I just put that same brown color on the lace, even though it is platinum in the front. It really didn't affect it too much. It was still platinum, but it did darken it, so it blended better. This is one of my favorite wig grip gels. I prefer to use this on my synthetic wigs, or like wigs that I don't want to keep on for too long. It's great for the edges, and again, in my opinion, I feel like my edges are still protected. This has some oils in it. I would probably give this like an 8 out of 10 in terms of just overall effectiveness, and the hold is about like a 6 out of 10. Like it holds it down, but don't go in the water with this. So I'm just putting it on and adjusting it to my head. And then after this, I'm just going to put on my scarf. I think I said for about 20 minutes. You see in the video, I was kind of unsure how long I should keep it on because I didn't want to blow dry it at all. So I kept it on for about 10 to 20 minutes. Now, this wig was melted, y'all. Melted. I kid you not. You can see it. It is so beautiful. Again, it's up to your personal preference. I added some extra like cream foundation. You'll see in about a few minutes or a few seconds. I do add a little bit of my cream foundation just to give it that extra realness, that extra oomph. And then I just went into baby hairs, but just look at how I'm cutting it. This is super important. You want to make sure you cut as close as you can to the actual hair pieces, the synthetic hairs, because you don't want too much lace hanging. That's how it looks very unnatural. So you see, girl, listen. So in this case, I would say to just do temple styled baby hairs, but I know everyone has a different style they prefer. But with this wig, I wanted the hair to speak for itself. So I just had 2 temple baby hairs that I curled. And yes, okay, for the haters, you can curl a synthetic wig and it won't melt into a million pieces. So you're gonna watch me do my little curled baby hair method. And yeah, take notes, honestly. I like to cut it right where my eyes are, just so I have enough in case I need to cut some extra or I want to style them a certain way. And yeah, you just see it. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. So fluffy and so beautiful. Now you can use a brush. I ended up using a brush like later on in the day, but I just put my fingers through this hair and this is how it looked. No manipulation, it wasn't tangling or anything. This was the final product. And at the end I did add some like sideburns just because I didn't like how the side looked, and I'll talk about that later in the video. But I curled the sideburns and I think I just like combed it down. I don't think I even added like any type of gel. Okay, so I am done installing this hair, you guys. I did not even touch a brush. Okay, I did not touch a brush at all. As you saw, I just went like this. This is like very minimal manipulation to the curls, to the hair. I did not even use a flat iron to flatten the part. I just kind of flung it over, and when I'm telling you, this is a Halloween. This would have done something crazy on Halloween, but it's past Halloween. It's Christmas. Happy Christmas. Merry Christmas. Girl, like, I don't know, this is so different and it's so fly and it looks so good in the front. Like, when I'm telling you, you guys, the way I'm able to melt my synthetic wigs is incredible. I will say with this wig, I don't like the side. I felt like I didn't get a lot of side lace for some reason. It didn't give side lace. It's just, you know, it's looking a little wiggy on the sides, but I mean, you can kind of like finesse it. I think most of the greatness is honestly in the front of the wig. I will say I didn't get any tangling or shedding. I love this color. I don't know, I love it a lot. The texture is more of like a yaki type texture. It's not the silky texture that I'm used to from like Bobbi Boss and Sensationnel. It's a little bit more yaki, which is okay. I think it'll probably hold the curls a little bit better, but I can see this tangling in the future. The length is good. I mean, it's a decent length. It's a decent length. So yeah, overall I'd probably give this an 8 out of 10. Like, you see, I curled the baby hairs, which means it can take some heat. This is bomb. Like, this is so bomb. This is so freaking bomb. I'm just looking at the camera like, damn, like, that's me? That's me? Yes, I absolutely love this wig. So let me know what you guys think, and write in the comment section down below once you purchase this wig, because I know you guys are gonna purchase this gorgeous wig that I have right here. This is everything. I love this. But let me know if you guys want to see more wig reviews or more beauty content in the comment section down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.